Chipotle speaking out on the proposed tariffs on Mexican imports, saying if enacted, they could negatively impact the company's cost by about $15 million in 2019 and reduce margins by 20 to 30 basis points. This is based on the starting tariff rate of 5% in June and includes the accelerated rate of 25% later in the year. In a statement, CFO Jack Hartung said if the tariffs become permanent, we would look to offset these costs through other margin improvement efforts already underway. We could also consider passing on these costs through a modest price increase, such as about a nickel on a burrito, which would cover the increased cost without impacting our strong value proposition. The company also added it is aware that it could easily solve the volatility in the supply chain by purchasing pre-mashed or processed avocados, which would be cheaper, of course, and readily available. But the company's committed to its brand purpose and upholding its food with integrity promise here. Now, late Friday, the company said it has been working to diversify its produce supply consistent with those principles. It does not break out what percentage of produce is imported from Mexico, but analysts say that any brand, of course, with avocado on the menu will be impacted by this tariff. Chipotle does say that beyond just avocados, it also buys limes, jalapenos, tomatoes, and bell peppers from Mexico. So they're not saying that they definitely will increase prices, but if this happens, they could consider, offsetting some of those costs with a modest price increase.
I can't think of a major chain restaurant that doesn't have avocado on the menu in some way. Also, booze. Constellation brand stock down 11% in a week, the maker of Corona and tequilas as well. What other restaurants could possibly be hurt by these?
So analysts obviously called out Chipotle because guacamole and avocado is such a big part of their menu. Customers really tend to gravitate towards that. Also, Panera, no longer public, but they do serve quite a bit of avocado in the fast casual quick service space. Chuy's Holdings and then Fiesta Mexican Grill, they basically are two other groups that could be impacted. Also, smaller chains. They have much fewer restaurants. So, the supply chain diversification could be a little more challenging.
And you think about